Now see, now squeeze it and push it.
Squeeze it and use the brush.
Push, do the picture. Squeeze it. Oh, wow, Kira, you did it.
Oh, pretty. Yay.
Neato.
Do you like that toy Nana gave you? Nana and Papa sent you in the mail? Do you like it?
Is that fun?
Kira, do you like that? Is that fun? Kira, look at Mommy.
Mommy.
Can you say, thank you, Nana?
Thank you, Nana.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
They would like it better if you looked in the camera and said it. Kira.
Cheese.
Did Nana and Papa send you a monkey too? Where's the monkey they sent you?
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you.
Are you going to give that monkey a hug? Nana picked that out special for you. Oh, so nice. Look at the monkey's tail. He has a funny tail.
Tail.
Tail, monkey tail.
Monkey tail. Monkey tail. I saw it. I saw it.
That's Tag.
Almost doggy.
Is there a doggy on there?
Doggy.
Hmm.
A monkey.
A monkey. Yours is a monkey. What does the monkey have on it? All over it? What are those little shapes? What are those little shapes on him right there? What are these? What are those all over him? Hearts. Yeah, good girl. Oh, and there's your books Nana gave you.
Oh.
Oh.
I love it.
I love it. Oh, good. That was nice. Okay, say bye-bye, Nana and Papa. I love you.
I love you.
Can you give kisses?